welcome to my channel. Subscribe now and let's dive into this exciting design adventure together. Thank you. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
A modern, minimalist Japanese-style house with large glass sliding doors opening onto a spacious, landscaped deck. The house features a dark gray metal roof, a wooden interior with warm orange tones, and plenty of natural light. The garden is lush with various green plants and orange/yellow flowers. A fire pit is visible on the deck. The scene is set in a lush wooded area, with mature trees surrounding the house. Hyperrealistic style, evening light casting a warm glow on the house and garden. Focus on the interplay between the interior and exterior spaces, the smooth transitions between materials, and the tranquil atmosphere. A multi-level, wooden, tropical home nestled within lush greenery. Layered wooden decks and patios descend toward a courtyard area, featuring a dining space and lounge area with outdoor furniture. The home's facade is a warm, reddish-brown wood, contrasting with the deep greens and browns of the surrounding foliage. Large glass sliding doors offer views into a bedroom area. The lighting is a soft, ambient glow, casting a warm and inviting atmosphere. The image is hyper-realistic, focusing on the intricate details of the wood, textures of the plants, and the interplay of light and shadow. Include the rich textures of the wood decking, and the varied shades of green and brown in the tropical foliage. A modern, luxury home at Twilight. Large, contemporary house with a low, wide roofline and large windows that stretch across the home's middle section, letting in warm, golden light. The exterior walls are a mix of rustic, light brownish-gray stone and dark wood paneling. The home sits on a gently sloping lawn, and in front of the home, there is a paved area designed with geometric patterns. Landscaping includes various plants and shrubs with subtle outdoor lighting highlighting the greenery and design elements. Trees and shrubs surround the house, creating a secluded and private atmosphere. The sky is a light, pastel peachy color indicating the late evening or early morning hours. A modern, minimalist house with a large wooden deck extending outward. The house features dark gray/black exterior siding, wooden beams and a dark gray/black roof. Large windows offer a view into a light-filled interior, with natural light seeming to illuminate the space beyond. The deck is made of warm-toned brown wood planks, leading down to a paved patio area. The grounds are landscaped with lush green grass, various plants, and rocks. The plants include foliage in shades of green, and there are potted plants on the deck. A simple wooden bench on the deck provides seating. The overall color palette is muted and earthy, with hints of warmth coming from the wood and the interior light. A modern, concrete house nestled within a lush forest setting. The house features multiple levels, with expansive, glass-walled living spaces, and a series of rooftop gardens. Concrete construction with exposed aggregates, a warm, natural light wood interior, and thick, dark-framed glass windows. Green roofs and greenery cascading down the sides of the structure that blends in with the forest. Impressionistic lighting effects, highlighting the interplay of light and shadow, emphasizing the natural textures, wood, concrete, and plants. Warm golden hour lighting, dappled sunlight filtering through the leaves. Detail-oriented, showing intricate design elements, and the transition from indoors to outdoors. A modern, minimalist home nestled in a lush forest. Mid-century modern design with a dark palette of charcoal gray, black, and deep browns. Large expanses of dark framed glass windows let in warm, golden light, illuminating the interior living space. The house is built of dark brick and stone. A tranquil landscape surrounds the home, featuring interconnected ponds of dark water, reflecting the lights inside. The water mirrors the surrounding greenery in the home's architecture, creating a calm and peaceful atmosphere. Natural, lush green and dark foliage surrounds the exterior. Landscape design is meticulous and geometric. A modern, contemporary home nestled within a wooded setting. The house features a dark gray/charcoal roof and exterior with large windows. Stonework accents the facade. A multi-level deck extends from the house. The deck is made of dark gray/brown wooden planks, with bright orange/gold LED strip lights outlining the stairs and deck surface. The stairs are descending from the house, illuminating the way down and out into the landscaping. The landscaping is lush and varied, with greenery, shrubs and trees surrounding the home and deck. The lighting creates a warm, inviting ambience. The setting is at dusk or early evening, with natural light filtering through the trees. A sprawling, modern outdoor living space, featuring a large, open-plan wooden deck with raised water features and a variety of lush landscaping, seamlessly connecting indoor and outdoor living areas. The house is a light terracotta orange/brown with dark, almost black, metal framing and supports. The deck is made of rich, warm-toned wood. Waterfalls and ponds are designed into the landscape, creating a serene ambience. There are various tropical plants and greenery throughout, including ferns, palms, and leafy ground cover. A built-in outdoor fire pit and dining area are visible. A comfortable chaise lounge in a light brown/tan leather is situated on a wooden deck area alongside the water feature. A modern, minimalist beachfront house at sunset. Hyperrealistic rendering of a large, two-story, dark gray home with a wood-beamed, open-plan living area. Large windows showcase the view of a fire pit area out back. The outdoor space features a wooden deck/pathway with lounge chairs, surrounding low-lying landscaping. A large bonfire is burning in the heart of the paved courtyard. A palm tree stands prominently on the beach, backed by a misty cityscape on the horizon. Rich sunset colors, deep oranges, pinks, and purples, fill the sky. A modern, dark-toned home with a spacious covered patio area, bathed in warm, ambient light. The home features a sleek, minimalist design with dark gray/black exterior walls and a flat, dark roofline. Large glass sliding doors open to a covered patio, where a comfortable seating area with a sofa and various plants is situated. The patio has a multi-tiered concrete deck that leads down to a beautifully manicured lawn. The interior of the home is visible through the glass doors and windows, softly lit from within. Warm, golden lighting creates a cozy ambience. Trees and greenery surround the house, providing a lush backdrop. The image has a slightly impressionistic quality, focusing on the mood and ambience rather than hyper-realistic detail. A modern, two-story home with a contemporary design. The main living area is open plan, with large windows featuring dark frame around the main living area, showcasing a spacious interior with natural light. The exterior walls of the living area are dark gray/black, while the additional exterior covered patio area is a rich, warm, burnt orange/terracotta color. The house has a low, sleek profile with an extended, covered patio featuring floor-to-ceiling glass doors. The patio area is furnished with a comfortable lounge seating arrangement. The landscaping includes various plants, shrubs, and well-maintained lawns with carefully placed decorative stone pathways and gravel areas that transition seamlessly around the home's unique architecture.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.